On today's episode, we're going to try doing a little bit of bass fishing in my grandma and grandpa's pond. If we can't catch anything, then I'm just going to toss a couple musky baits. I know there's nothing in here to eat the musky baits, but at least it'll give me some practice with the musky baits. So today I'm going to run with a natural color Senko. I think I can see it. Yeah, there we go. My sunglasses, with my phone like this, I can't see the screen, so with these polarized glasses. But yeah, so Amanda's throwing a little spinner over there on a micro rod. I got a 5'6" light spinning rod. I like using this one for a little finesse rod. But yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna walk over to this side pond, start over here, work my way around. We also do have the ducks out too, so I'm sure along the journey here we'll see the ducks. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and get to it. Hopefully you guys can hear me with this wind. There we go. Okay, hopefully the angle on this camera works. But yeah, I'm just using a kind of a natural colored Senko with a 3-aught hook Texas rig, weightless. Just gonna kind of let it do its thing, just kind of finesse fish it. Start there, like kind of sit down to the bottom. I'll just kind of give it a couple little taps here and there. Well, kind of show you what I'm doing here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but just kind of giving it a few little taps. It's kind of changing up my rhythm a little bit. Come over here a little more. Cast along this edge here. Amanda caught the first sea bass of the year for her. I ain't catch one yet, other than ice fishing. And eyelet's almost busted off. Probably from where I had stored in my shed. Gotta work my way around here. Ooh, where am I going? Apparently I'm looking for bass in the yard. Okay. There we go. Kind of stretch it across the pond here. Okay, letting it sit there for a minute. See what happens. I don't think the bass are very active right now, so this might not even be the right strat, but don't know until you try it, so. I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's our ducks over there. We'll go visit them in a second here. I think I picked the wrong side of the pond. another sea bass. Can't wait to see how many of those I pull up when I throw the musky baits in here. Yeah, we might try throwing a different color too. I'm on the wrong side of the pond. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side. The wind's blowing across the pond right at me. Where's your curl, buddy? You had one last year. Must have molted that feather off. Yep. He didn't see any floating. He found a few frogs, but that was about it. And he did see one turtle swimming already. So I'm presuming they're all still alive. I do. I can stop it though. Once I find a button there. Okay guys, didn't catch any fish, so testing out the musky baits, or musky rod and bait a little bit. Cast it a couple times already, but this bait is made by Savage Gear. It's a little pike imitation, or pike or musky, whatever you want to call it. 4 joints on it, 2 treble hooks. So yeah. So you can either just rip it in straight like this, get that nice flowing action, or what I was kind of experimenting with a little bit, cast out there and just kind of give it some tugs. Probably depends on how the fish are reacting that day. Gives it that wounded fish effect. But here, I wanted to look at that action on that though. Can't get it out here though. Pretty nice action on this bait. So give it one more cast for you guys, and I'm going in the house because it's cold. So see how far we can get this guy. Kind of keeping a little bit of pressure on it for in the pond here. If I was on a wide open lake, that'd be a different story, but oh yeah, so that's that. So anyways, I know this video is kind of short, probably not the most entertaining, but it's the best I could do with the situation I had here. So pop the camera out of here so I can talk to you guys face to face. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately we didn't catch any fish, but it's cold out here, so I didn't have much of anything else. We've been busy with moving to the new house, moving some stuff, but yeah, so that being said, might come back out and do a little bit more fishing after we warm up a little. I don't know, see what Amanda's thinking, but either way, lunch is done, so I'm gonna go in the house and grab something to eat. So I'll do an ending if we don't do any more fishing. So see you in a little bit. Hey everybody, just wanted to give you an update. We just call it quits for a day. I think it's just too cold for the fish in the pond there, but we just called her quits, and now we're back home. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. I know we didn't catch anything, but I was kind of hoping we would catch at least something other than sea bass. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what if you have any questions on stuff that we're using or whatever, or if you liked it or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So please like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.